Metal halide light fixtures with battery ballasts are available from multiple manufacturers. Several options exist, including Lumenpulse AVX battery, Philips Titanium battery, GE Evolve battery, and Acuity Band's Lithonia lighting battery. These fixtures are typically employed in emergency lighting applications, providing a crucial backup light source when the primary power supply is interrupted. The integrated battery ballast ensures continuous operation for a defined duration, commonly around 90 minutes. Key considerations when selecting a metal halide light fixture with a battery ballast involve several factors. Firstly, wattage is important. The wattage of the light fixture directly dictates the amount of light output it produces. Higher wattage generally translates to greater illumination. Secondly, battery capacity is a major element. The battery capacity determines the runtime of the fixture during a power outage. A higher capacity allows for extended operation on battery power. Thirdly, fixture type needs to be considered. Various mounting options are available, encompassing recess, surface-mounted, and pendant fixtures, enabling adaptability to different installation requirements. Fourthly, the make or manufacturer is also noteworthy. Numerous manufacturers offer metal halide light fixtures equipped with battery ballasts, each with their own product specifications and features. Regarding wattage, it's essential to choose a wattage that meets the lighting needs of the specific application. Too low of a wattage may result in insufficient illumination, while too high of a wattage can lead to energy waste and increased heat generation. Consider the size of the area being lit, the desired light level, and any specific task requirements when determining the appropriate wattage. Battery capacity is typically measured in amp-hours or watt-hours. A higher amp-hour or watt-hour rating indicates a greater energy storage capacity and longer runtime on battery power. Consider the criticality of the application and the potential duration of power outages when selecting a battery capacity. For critical applications where continuous lighting is essential, such as emergency exits or safety-critical areas, a longer runtime is recommended. Fixture type should be selected based on the mounting location and the desired aesthetic appearance. Recess fixtures are typically installed in ceilings and provide a clean, integrated look. Surface-mounted fixtures are mounted directly to a surface, such as a wall or ceiling, and are suitable for applications where recess mounting is not feasible. Pendant fixtures are suspended from the ceiling and can be used to provide both ambient and task lighting. Manufacturer selection can be based on factors such as product quality, reliability, warranty, and customer support. Research different manufacturers and read reviews to get a sense of their reputation and product performance. Consider the specific features and benefits offered by each manufacturer, such as energy efficiency, dimming capabilities, and control options. In addition to these factors, it's also important to consider the following when selecting a metal halide light fixture with a battery ballast. 1. Compliance with local codes and regulations. Ensure that the fixture meets all applicable codes and regulations, such as those related to emergency lighting and safety. 2. Ease of installation and maintenance. Choose a fixture that is easy to install and maintain, with readily available replacement parts. 3. Energy efficiency. Look for fixtures that are energy efficient and have a long lifespan to minimize energy consumption and replacement costs. 4. Dimming capabilities. Some fixtures offer dimming capabilities, which can be used to reduce energy consumption and create different lighting scenes. 5. Control options. Some fixtures can be controlled remotely or integrated into a building automation system, providing greater control over the lighting system. Metal halide lamps are a type of high-intensity discharge, or head lamp that produces light by passing an electric arc through a mixture of metal halides and mercury vapor. They are known for their high efficiency, long lifespan, and good color rendering properties. Metal halide lamps are commonly used in a variety of applications, including street lighting, parking lots, sports stadiums, and indoor retail spaces. Battery ballasts are electronic devices that provide power to the light fixture during a power outage. They typically consist of a battery, a charger, and an inverter. The battery stores energy when the power is on, and the inverter converts the battery's direct current voltage to alternating current voltage to power the light fixture. The charger automatically recharges the battery when the power is restored. Emergency lighting is a critical safety feature in buildings and other facilities. It provides illumination in the event of a power outage, allowing people to safely evacuate the building or perform essential tasks. Emergency lighting systems typically consist of battery-powered light fixtures that automatically turn on when the power goes out. In addition to metal halide light fixtures with battery ballasts, there are other types of emergency lighting systems available, such as LED emergency lights and fluorescent emergency lights. LED emergency lights are becoming increasingly popular due to their high energy efficiency, long lifespan, and low maintenance requirements. Fluorescent emergency lights are another option, but they are less energy efficient than LED lights and have a shorter lifespan. When selecting an emergency lighting system, it is important to consider the specific needs of the application, such as the size of the area being lit, the desired light level, and the required runtime. It is also important to ensure that the system meets all applicable codes and regulations. Metal halide light fixtures with battery ballast offer a reliable and effective solution for emergency lighting applications. They provide a bright, long-lasting light source that can operate on battery power during a power outage. When selecting a metal halide light fixture with a battery ballast, it is important to consider the factors discussed above to ensure that the fixture meets the specific needs of the application. In addition to the considerations mentioned earlier, it's also important to think about the ambient temperature where the fixture will be installed. Battery performance can be affected by extreme temperatures, so it's crucial to select a fixture with a battery that is designed to operate within the expected temperature range. Look for specifications that indicate the battery's operating temperature range and ensure that it aligns with the environment where the fixture will be used. Also, consider the maintenance requirements of the fixture and battery. Some batteries may require periodic maintenance, such as checking electrolyte levels or replacing the battery after a certain number of years. Choose a fixture with a battery that is easy to access and maintain, and follow the manufacturer's recommendations for maintenance to ensure optimal performance and longevity. The type of ballast used in the fixture can also impact its performance and energy efficiency. Electronic ballasts are generally more energy efficient than magnetic ballasts and can also provide better light output and color rendering. Look for fixtures with electronic ballasts that meet industry standards for energy efficiency. Furthermore, consider the color temperature of the light emitted by the metal halide lamp. Color temperature is measured in Kelvin and affects the appearance of the light. Lower color temperatures, e.g. 2700 Kelvin to 3000 Kelvin, produce a warm, yellowish light, while higher color temperatures, e.g. 4000 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin, produce a cooler, whiter light. Choose a color temperature that is appropriate for the application and the desired aesthetic. In addition to the fixture itself, it's also important to consider the wiring and installation requirements. Ensure that the wiring is properly sized and installed according to local codes and regulations. It's also important to properly ground the fixture to prevent electrical hazards. If you are not familiar with electrical wiring and installation, it's best to hire a qualified electrician to perform the installation. When choosing a metal halide light fixture with a battery ballast, consider the warranty offered by the manufacturer. A good warranty can provide peace of mind and protect against defects in materials or workmanship. Read the warranty carefully to understand the terms and conditions, including the duration of the warranty and what is covered. The ingress protection, or IP, rating of the fixture is also an important consideration, especially for outdoor or damp locations. The IP rating indicates the level of protection against dust and water. A higher IP rating indicates greater protection. Choose a fixture with an IP rating that is appropriate for the environment where it will be installed. Consider the availability of replacement parts for the fixture and battery. It's important to choose a fixture from a manufacturer that offers readily available replacement parts in case repairs are needed in the future. This can help to minimize downtime and ensure that the fixture can be quickly repaired if necessary. Also, think about the potential for future upgrades or modifications to the lighting system. Choose a fixture that is compatible with other lighting control systems or technologies such as dimming systems or occupancy sensors. This can provide greater flexibility and control over the lighting system in the future. Metal halide lamps contain mercury, which is a hazardous material. When disposing of metal halide lamps, it's important to follow local regulations for proper disposal. Many municipalities offer recycling programs for metal halide lamps to ensure that the mercury is properly handled and does not contaminate the environment. Consider the total cost of ownership when evaluating different metal halide light fixtures with battery ballasts. This includes not only the initial purchase price, but also the operating costs, maintenance costs, and replacement costs over the lifespan of the fixture. Choose a fixture that offers the best value for your money, considering all of these factors. The surge protection capabilities of the fixture should also be considered. Power surges can damage electronic components, including the ballast and battery. Choose a fixture with built-in surge protection to protect against damage from power surges. This can help to extend the lifespan of the fixture and reduce the risk of costly repairs. Consider the ability of the fixture to operate in cold temperatures. Some batteries may not perform well in cold temperatures, so it's important to choose a fixture with a battery that is designed to operate in the expected temperature range. This is especially important for outdoor applications in cold climates. Look for fixtures that are listed by a recognized testing laboratory such as Underwriters Laboratories or ALL or ETL Semco. This indicates that the fixture has been tested and certified to meet safety standards. Consider the light distribution pattern of the fixture. The light distribution pattern determines how the light is spread out over the area being lit. Choose a fixture with a light distribution pattern that is appropriate for the application. For example, a wide light distribution pattern may be suitable for lighting a large open area, while a narrow light distribution pattern may be suitable for highlighting a specific object. Also consider the mounting height of the fixture. The mounting height will affect the light distribution pattern and the amount of light that reaches the ground. Choose a fixture with a mounting height that is appropriate for the application. For example, a higher mounting height may be suitable for lighting a large area, while a lower mounting height may be suitable for lighting a smaller area. Think about the accessibility of the fixture for maintenance. Choose a fixture that is easy to access for cleaning and lamp replacement. This can help to reduce maintenance costs and downtime. In addition to the above factors, it is also important to consider the aesthetic appearance of the fixture. Choose a fixture that complements the overall design of the space. The fixture should be visually appealing and should not detract from the overall aesthetic. When selecting a metal halide light fixture with a battery ballast, it is important to carefully consider all of these factors to ensure that the fixture meets the specific needs of the application. By taking the time to do your research and make an informed decision, you can choose a fixture that will provide reliable and efficient emergency lighting for many years to come. Lastly, check for any rebates or incentives that may be available for energy-efficient lighting products. Many utilities and government agencies offer rebates or incentives for installing energy-efficient lighting, which can help to reduce the overall cost of the project.